Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made a passion twist on my hair, my very short hair. This is the DIY spring twist hair I made. I'll be leaving the link in the description box down below, so you go watch it and do it, and also learn how to package it yourself. Let's get in with the video. So guys, this is the bantle knot I'll be using for today's tutorial. As you notice, it's actually on the straight line, and that's because I'll be making like somewhat like a braid or twist. Yeah, so it has to be obviously like that, so it has this braided kind of pattern. Now guys, in order to be able to use a DIY spring twist hair to passion twist on your hair, you have to get the middle, open it in between, just like what I'm doing right now, or like, yes, open it, and then you divide the hair. That's this one piece, you divide it into two parts. So one piece gives you two hair, one piece can give you two strands of hair, or if you want to make it longer, you can just use one piece to get a longer length, at least to your bra length. Now you put your pin or your crochet pin in the middle of the hair you knot. Yes, in the middle of the knot, not outside the knot, so it can be able to stay. Now you knot it down, you knot your spring twist hair down, or whatever hair you want to use. It mustn't be this particular kind of spring twist, but you just make sure you can be able to twist with that particular hair. And then you tuck in your hair in between the knots. I'm going to show you guys all over again, so just keep watching. If you really want to do this style, you don't have to skip any method. Every method counts, okay? Now the second part, you put in your pin in between the hair you knot, put in your hair in the hook, and then you close it, drag it out carefully. You knot your hair, that's you tie your hair down and tuck it in well with the hair so it doesn't like show or stuff like that, and then you twist. So guys, to get the normal passion twist, you don't twist the regular way, you twist the passion twist way. I don't know how to put it, but yeah, you take it from your right to your left, not from your left to your right. Do you understand me? It's from your right to your left, so to be able to like pop up and like have that rough kind of uneven kind of twist. And that's how to do a passion twist. You take it from your right to your left, and then you just keep doing it downwards. It doesn't have to be perfect, because why it's called passion twist is because of how it looks. It doesn't have to be like the normal Senegalese twist or so. Okay, so you see it from the right to the left, from the right to the left, not from the left to the right. Before we get to the next important part, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Please join the family, show me some love, and I promise not to let you down. So guys, like I always say, you just have to be always patient. You don't need to rush, you just have to take your time. Like in total, this hair took me 4 hours. This time I wasn't eating or drinking or pressing my phone. No, I wanted to achieve something, and like, because this is actually a very taxi kind of style, so I had to be very focused. So guys, in order to achieve a close to perfect side parting, I had to use those two strands of hair I put up right now. I put it from underneath of them because they are from the other sides. I put this needle in between them, and then I pull in another one to make that closure that you wouldn't see that, oh, it was from this side or that side. So that was what I did. I took the two strands, like I took it from underneath the two strands of hair, and then I twist. So guys, as you can see, the pattern is perfect. Once I'm done with my hair, you wouldn't even know I was actually using a bantu knot or baby bantu knots to do this hair. It looks really nice and clean. So that's how you get a perfect pattern. Now let's go to the back. This is the back look of the hair, and this is how to make the back. There's no actual difference from the front. It's just to show you guys how the back process is. So guys, let me tell you guys a very short story. So I've never in my life think I'm ever going to make my own hair by my own self. I am actually a certified hairstylist. I've been braiding since I was, I think, 15. Yes, I've been making hair or doing people's hair since I was young, and I've never felt, or I've never even thought about doing my own hair by my own self. No. So I was inspired by so many people. I actually see people doing their own hair, but I've never thought about me doing my own hair. But I was inspired by so many people. Some people at my workplace, my sister, my elder sister makes her own hair or do her own hair. So I was like, okay, you know what? After I comb my hair, I'm going to groom my own hair by my own self. And I'm like, yes, I'm going to groom my own hair by my own self since I'm going to go natural. So guys, this is the grooming. I've started it already. Yes, and I think I am falling in love already. So if you have that phobia or that fear that, oh, it wouldn't look nice, no, give it a try. I've been doing it now, and I think I found a new love. Yes, I've found a new love, and it's making or doing my own hair by my own self, and it's really what I've never thought about, but I am loving it already. So guys, I think the only style I think I might not be able to do is maybe those cornrows or ponytails, but I think we might give it a try someday, you know. I don't know how it's going to be, but even if we end up sleeping in the camera, we're going to give it a try, and I'm going to definitely try doing it myself, and we'll see how it goes. So guys, this is how the hair came out to be. This is how the back looks like. I love this hair. It looks so nice, so uneven, so rough, so cute. Like, I'm loving it already. And this hair, like I told you, took me over 4 hours. It took me like exactly 4 hours. And guys, look at how it looks like, as if I went to the salon to do my hair. Oh my god. So guys, if you love this video, like I said, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the family, give me some love, show me some love, and I'll be seeing you all on my next video. But before then, just watch how I styled the hair and how it all looked like on me. And also be free to ask me whatever question you want to ask me. I'll be here for you, I promise. I'll see you all on my next video. Bye. Mwah.